Dhyanamudam Gurur Murti, Pujamudam Gurur Padam, Mantramulam Gurur Vaikyam, Mokshamudam Gurur Kripa, Samsarnava Ghori Jokarnadhara Sarupakaha, Namastu Ramakrishnaya, Tasmai Shri Guravi Namaha. The theme of meditation is Guru's form. The object of worship is the Guru's feet. The essence of the mantra is the Guru's words. And the means of liberation is Guru's grace. I bow down to my Guru Ramakrishna, who is the ferryman of this terrible ocean of worldly Maya and the savior of the souls. I salute him again and again. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Peace, peace, peace be over. In our morning session, we covered 5 disciples of Sri Ramakrishna. How Sri Ramakrishna instructed his disciples. Swami Chetanananda used to say, don't try to take too many spiritual instructions and try to practice all of them. You will be confused. Practice a few which suit you. Basic teachings, speak the truth. Do not covet others' things. Have self-control. A few things if you do, that will be good. He used to say, if you try to eat too many items of gourmet food, your stomach will be upset. Similarly, too many spiritual instructions create confusion. If you indiscriminately go to a drugstore and try to take all medicines, you will die. Take that medicine which the doctor prescribes for you. Same thing in spiritual life. Some teachings you will find in this, among these disciples, are very personal. Some teachings are universal. But you may ask Swami, how shall we take all these instructions of Sri Ramakrishna to his different disciples? You will feel it, that which one is appealing to you. Sometimes those who are very fundamental Christians, they try to absorb all teachings of Christ. I think all teachings of Christ are not for everybody. We are Ramakrishna monks. Do you think all teachings of Ramakrishna for me? No way. Some teachings are for the outsiders. If I try to practice those things, I will be drowned. So, teachings, for the reason we need a teacher who says that follow these ones. That is the way it works.